All right, you guys, so we are back with another Love Me hair review. They sent me over a piece for you guys, and I'm gonna be dressed in a little bit of office wear, business woman attire. But first, let's get into this wig, okay? So you get a little baggie that says love me. Then you get your little tissue paper that says enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helen, the founder of Love Me Hair. You get a little pouch. Get your cute little mirror, edge wrap, a baby hair brush. Then you also get wig caps, of course. Then their card with all their info, hair care, how to install, all that good stuff in there as well. All right, so this is the wig today from Love Me Hair. It is a 14-inch Kinky Curly 5x5 closure. The closure is definitely pre-plucked. It looks ready to go. It's a 5x5, so you still get a lot of parting space. It's already parted down the middle, so I'm definitely going to keep that part. You have 4 combs, left, right, and the middle, and down below, your adjustable straps on the sides, and then elastic band to adjust as well for extra security. So yes, this hair is giving thick. The density is very, very nice. It seems very full. The ends do look like they're a little blunt cut, so I like that as well. I think a little splash of water. So this wig is definitely giving classic, everyday, all match wear for sure. Super easy to install. This is gonna be low maintenance. This is gonna be so low maintenance. All you're gonna have to do is spray water on this, maybe, and define your curls just a little bit if you want to, but these curls are already so defined. I think a little splash of water and a little diffusing is going to put it all together. And then if you have a little bit more time, you could probably do some like finger coils if you like that. But yes, definitely low maintenance, definitely ready to go, and easy, quick on the go wig for sure. I'm just going to throw some foundation on the lace here and then probably just define the curls a little bit, maybe diffuse it a little bit just to fluff it out, because I think I kind of want it to be on the bigger side. But yeah, this should sit like right on my shoulders. So I'm gonna put the foundation on and stuff off camera, and then I'm gonna come back, install it with you guys, and then I'll show you guys my office attire, because we are going to be office ready, okay? This is giving business wear. Okay, can we get into this lace? Hold on, I just want to show you guys this lace real quick. This is crazy. And this wig right now, oh my gosh. This is pretty much ready to go. You could wear this just like this. I mean, after I cut the lace off, of course, but this is so easy. And look at the curls. This is so cute. This is so cute. Okay, hold on. I'll be right back. I'm gonna speed this up for y'all real quick. Okay. All right, you guys. So I'm all done. I'm all done, y'all. So this is how the hair turned out real quick before I get dressed. It came out really nicely. I just sprayed some water in it, a little bit of leave-in conditioner of your choice, and then I just diffused it a little bit just to make it like a little bigger and fuller. And as you can see, it's still got movement and she's fluffy and pretty. This is definitely giving business wear in the workplace, but it's also giving me like summertime Daisy Dukes. I'm definitely thinking you could wear this in the summertime with the Daisy Dukes, at the beach, just out with your friends. Like, it's so freaking cute. And for the young girls, I feel like it's also giving like a little spin on like just like a super cute curly haired young girl that just wears her hair out and just embraces her curls and loves every minute of it. It's giving all of that. So all I did was put some foundation on my parting. I threw some baby hairs right here just to disguise the 5x5, because the 5x5 closure goes from temple to temple and then literally parting space all the way back to here. So lots and lots of parting space. You don't even have to do a middle part, but it already came in the middle part and I just wanted to do a middle part. So, but I think this would be really cute side part too. That'd be so cute. But yes, so I'm gonna put some lip liner on and some gloss, you guys. So I'm back, I'm dressed. I really love the wig. It is beautiful, you guys. This wig takes no time. Although I did do a couple of things to it, like put the foundation on the parting and do these little baby hairs. I did not pluck at all. Then I put some water and like diffused it. You don't have to do any of that, because as you saw when I took it out of the package and just laid it, it was ready to go. So this is a super easy install. 5x5 closures are like, they're the easiest type of wig you can put on. It cuts your install time in half, if not down to a fraction. It is so easy. Let me show you guys the back of this real quick, because I just remembered I didn't show you that. So yes, this is my review on this wig from LUVME Hair. It is a 14-inch Kinky Curly 5x5 closure wig, and it is super easy to install. It's super beautiful. Install time is at a minimum, you guys. The hair looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Check out LUVME Hair. Thank you again, LUVME, for always working with me. Thank you, everybody, for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.